Anyways, morning. We're about to head. Me and my pretty baby. We're about to head to Mississauga. Got my cousin a EK 4-door yesterday, so we're about to head down there and just clean it up with him. So we're in the Pilot. My Pilot's kind of not in the best working order yet. Drives great, but burning oil like crazy. Wind my windows up, because you know we got AC, right, baby? We got AC. Yes, ma'am. Let's get to Mississauga. There's Pops. Mississauga. Check my cousin.
Oh, okay. Everything good?
Yeah. You just missed Tash. Went to the gym.
Hey, bro. Take a sip. So I should say something.
So on the road, got to my cousin's house. I'm basically checking out the Civic that we got him yesterday. A little EK 4-door. You know, his first official car that hopefully you won't make look like a little ugly thing. But from a brand new interstate battery.
There she is. Yeah.
I'm just gonna clean it up. Love the purple on this thing still. Yeah, it has an aftermarket sunroof. At least it has something, you know. Interior is pretty clean. 5-speed already. Interior is pretty clean. Yeah. So we got the rear quarters, a whole bunch of parts. Lights, fogs, upper control arms. This is all stuff that I blessed him with. And the Momo wheels in there too. Probably put that on next too. But this thing will probably transform in one day. We're just gonna leave it like this for now, clean it up. And then one day just do a whole transformation. Later on today we're gonna go look at a house. Hopefully, like I said before, we're looking for some space that would work for me to start doing some nice content. So we'll see where that goes. Be careful, baby. Say hi.
Hi.
This is my daughter.
Hi.
You guys know, I'm pretty sure I keep saying that, but this is my daughter, my baby. Huh? But yeah, so we're gonna clean this up. I'll probably give you a little preview when everything's done. Come, baby. As you guys can see, the car is cleaned up, fairly good now. Tomorrow we were gonna go do a lot of stuff, but I just found out it's a holiday, so I don't even know if that stuff will get done no more. I guess Tyrone took it upon himself to kind of like clean up the interior. You know what I'm saying? Seems like the heat's working. The brakes are not working in the car for whatever reason, so we're gonna have to deal with that. But these guys are already bringing garbage in here. Has the power windows working good. You know what I'm saying? Just gave it a little wipe down. Pop the hood for y'all. Show y'all how I clean the bay pretty damn good. As you guys see, so this is the end result. Get this thing up here high. You know what I'm saying? End result for it. So just trying to show this guy the ropes, show him how it looks, how to keep it clean. You know what I'm saying? So looking to get a new fender and a bumper from the scrapyard. I'm pretty sure they have this color there. That's from a car that I remember that I got the front end on mine for. So if we get a new hood and bumper, then the exterior will be all right for now. Probably get some black paint and spray over. Dog, stop smoking, bro. It's done. It's over. Let it go. Anyways, you got the, like my cousin Tyrone still. So you got the EK 4-door.
I'm not gonna overdo anything like in the past. I'm just gonna go strictly clean looking. Like gonna be my daily, so you know.
Yo, you drive and you drive, yo. Once you drive, you have to drive it, bro.
Yeah.
This is his first car technically. His first car technically in the car world that I'm gonna get him in efficiently. We're thinking next week to get the coils, slam it down. I actually found some wheels on Kijiji.
Oh, you found some wheels?
Alright, but for overall the car's in a pretty good condition. I'm hoping this guy, you know, starting to straighten up. So how you feel?
I'm actually good. Now I got something I can call my own, you know, so I just stay out of trouble.
So what are you picturing to do with this thing though?
I'm picturing,
from the videos I've watched and I've showed and I've sent you, what do you see people doing it? And your style's not the style of a JDM Life right now.
I just want to just have a nice looking low with nice rims. For now.
Functional look. Now no stance life.
No stance. No, I'm not stance life. I just want functional and some nice rims.
No, me, like when it comes to tint in a project car, I feel like you don't. Yeah. It doesn't need it. Not for a project car. Like I think I'd only tint like the rear glass, just so nighttime man's headlights are in your head back, yo.
Nah, you have to get all tint. I wouldn't do one.
Alright, but I don't know. I wouldn't tint it. I would just leave it. Cause I'm probably gonna banner out my glass anyways. Anybody that supported my car, just bare banners on it. Alright, bro. Yeah, y'all see the car, so that's just an update. You know, he has his stuff now. So try to keep him into, you know, keep him under wraps. And yeah. Yo, and I took this wheel from my cousin. I don't know why, but I like it. And this is probably going in the Civic. I'm gonna get it to work in there somehow because I like this. I really do.
GT.
Yeah. So yo, we'll see you guys next video. We'll probably have content on doing the coils on the EK 4-door. Whatever the hell those come in, but I'm gonna start schooling this guy on the car life, man. That's just what we do. So I guess we're welcoming him. Everybody welcome Tyrone into the life because he don't really know yet, but he'll figure it out. Like I said, his progress is gonna be a lot more quicker adaptive because he doesn't have to find out the hard way and go through the steps in the fields because I can guide him. He already knows what's good to get, what's not good to get. So you know, casually, like when we were all growing up, we do like little stuff here, little stuff there. I can direct him to do what stuff to do, what not to do. So you're gonna see a big transformation in that car in a very little time. But yo, like I said, you know, you guys stay tuned. I guess we just added another chapter to the book with this EK4. Is that what they call it? I think it's called EK4. Nah, I think EK4 is the EM1 is the. Is
it the coupe, the EM1?
Yeah, it's the coupe. EM1 EJ8 is the American code for our cars. I don't know what they call it. EK4 is like, I don't know if it's exact for the 4-door. Well, then we'll figure it out. But yo, later.